Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're making a matcha latte. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna turn on our hot water and I'm gonna open up the matcha. I'm using 1 teaspoon of matcha. Now I'm adding just enough hot water to help dissolve the matcha powder. I want the matcha to break down as much as possible, so I'm using a bamboo whisk to help it out. You want to do tears? I use almond barista blend from Califia because it's the only almond milk I've found that works when steaming for lattes. I like to fill my pitcher up to the spout to make sure that I have enough room once it's steamed. Let me put some in yours, okay? Here. Don't make a mess. Alright. With this latte machine, I remove the bottom tray when I'm steaming because it doesn't give me enough room otherwise. No latte art today, I guess. Okay. Easy. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.